In a surprising turn of events, an Illinois judge has removed former President Donald Trump from the state's ballot. The ruling cites the 14th Amendment's insurrection ban as the basis for this decision. This makes Illinois the third state to take such a step, joining Colorado and Maine in their attempts to remove Trump from the ballot. Trump, however, isn't without options. He has the opportunity to appeal the decision. In a move that seems to offer him a bit of a lifeline, the judge has decided to delay the ruling until Friday. As we speak, a similar situation is unfolding on a national scale. The Supreme Court is currently mulling over Colorado's challenge to Trump's appearance on the primary ballot. Here's a twist, though. This decision comes on the heels of the state's Board of Elections initially rejecting the case. They cited jurisdiction issues as the reason for their rejection. However, Cook County Circuit Judge Tracy Porter saw things differently, and her decision has now removed Trump from the Illinois ballot. This isn't the first time Trump's eligibility for the ballot has been challenged. Let's take a step back to November of 2023, when a Colorado judge ruled on a similar issue. Despite concluding that Trump did indeed engage in insurrection by inciting the January 6th Capitol riots, the judge decided that this did not disqualify him from running for president. This ruling was in response to a challenge put forth by the government watchdog group known as CREW. They argued that a clause in the 14th Amendment should disqualify Trump from holding office again. The judge, however, rejected this argument. This wasn't an isolated incident either. Throughout that month, liberal groups made 3 separate attempts to use the 14th Amendment to prevent Trump from running for president in 2024. Each attempt, however, was unsuccessful. It's important to understand that the 14th Amendment, in particular the clause referred to as the insurrectionist ban, has been at the heart of these legal battles. This clause essentially states that any individual who has engaged in insurrection against the United States or given aid and comfort to its enemies is disqualified from holding office. However, applying this clause to Trump has proven to be a complex and contentious issue. The interpretation of what constitutes insurrection and whether Trump's actions meet this definition is a matter of heated debate. Despite the challenges and the controversy, Trump's campaign remained undeterred. In fact, they celebrated the Colorado decision, viewing it as a victory against what they described as un-American ballot challenges. The Trump campaign celebrated the Colorado decision as a victory against un-American ballot challenges. What does this mean for the political landscape moving forward? As we delve into the implications of these recent rulings, it's clear we're navigating uncharted waters. The move to remove former President Trump from the state ballots, as seen in Illinois, Colorado, and Maine, could potentially become a trend. Other states might follow suit, using the 14th Amendment's insurrection ban as their legal justification. This is a precedent-setting situation, and the ripples could extend far beyond the 2024 presidential race. However, this is not a simple cut-and-dry situation. There are layers of legal and political complexities that need to be unraveled. For one, the interpretation of the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause is being hotly debated among legal scholars. There's no unanimous agreement on whether it applies to Trump's actions surrounding the January 6th Capitol riots. On a political level, these rulings could further polarize an already divided nation. Supporters of Trump might view these moves as an attack on their democratic rights, while his critics might see it as a necessary measure to uphold the Constitution. This could lead to intensified political tension, not just during the 2024 race, but also in the years following it. The potential impact on the 2024 presidential race is also significant. If more states decide to remove Trump from their ballots, it could alter the dynamics of the election. It might give other Republican candidates a better chance at securing the nomination, or it could mobilize Trump's base in ways we haven't seen before. But let's not forget, Trump still has the opportunity to appeal these decisions. The ultimate deciding factor could be the Supreme Court, which is yet to rule on Colorado's challenge to Trump's appearance on its primary ballot. With the latest ruling from Illinois and the pending Supreme Court decision, the eligibility of Trump for the 2024 ballot remains a contentious issue. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.